super cool. Like, I have G and stuff. So I just have a little suit, which is yellow.
Is that Miss Maya Papaya coming?
Yeah! Maya! Let's go.
Walk, Maddie, walk. Oh, I gotta get a picture of all three of you guys together. Okay, here.
You're amongst
Here, stand with the girls. Okay, girls, stand together. Did you make your own princess hat, your tiara?
No, Mommy didn't make this one.
You made it.
You wrote your name on it.
See Aiden.
Yeah, well, all right. You want to go see Aiden? Let's
Yeah,
go. Come on. We'll go back to Nadia's in a second. Oh, unless Nadia.
Oh, the ninja boy.
These are
And
ninjas.
the Tootsie Roll. Here, we have to go up by them so we can get a picture.
Okay.
Come on, guys. We want to get.
She likes this.
Hey.
Don't jiggle too much, she just ate.
I forgot that.
She'll be out.
I forgot to close the door.
Oh well.
Everyone else is not home, so I'm not going down there either.
She
said no.
Yeah, let's go this way. That's what I figured.
No, let's go this way.
No, everybody's going this way.
Follow. We'll go to a couple houses together, Maya.
If everybody's back home when you get back here.
All right.
We're all gone. We're all together.
Wait for Maddie.
Man, everybody's trick-or-treating tonight.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Everybody's trick-or-treating here.
Come on, sweetie.
How's that number that was really crowded?
Yeah. Thank you. There's nothing chocolate.
What?
Is there anything not chocolate?
Not chocolate. Oh, golly. Milk duds, they got chocolate in them. I have everything chocolate, honey. You can't eat chocolate?
Oh, I just don't like it.
Oh, you don't like chocolate? You like these things? They got
Okay.
a little bit of chocolate in them. What about you? You like chocolate?
Trick-or-treating, thank you. I'm going to Mr. Groff's house. Mr. Groff's house. Trick-or-treat.
Hey. Go ahead, pick one.
Hey, how are you?
Mr. Groff, good.
You look great, Brittany. Hi.
I saw you
That's
before.
right.
Look at you, are so beautiful. Here. There you go.
See you guys.
Goodbye, and thank you for the candy. We saw Mr. Groff.
You guys can have two if you want.
Yay.
There you go. All right. You want some more? There you go.
Thank you. Man, I love Tootsie Pops. Even though I don't eat the chocolate. Holy cow!
Sorry, we kicked it over.
Don't worry about it.
I didn't even see that.
Whoa, hey.
Okay, come here, Anna.
I know. Yeah, ow. I didn't know we can ask her. Just a feeling. Holy cow. There are a ton of people. Don't close the door yet. Oh, no, he's... Man, that dog was going to get on me. Getting some candy. Getting some candy. Trick-or-treat. Smells bad here. Trick-or-treat. Did I scare you? There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you get that?
No, not yet. There you go.
A Darth Vader pump. Come on, Maddie. Yeah. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. Ring the doorbell.